Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little different. I wanted to sit down and talk to you guys about the steps that I took to prepare for Vlogtober, which was basically daily vlogging. So if you want to be a daily vlogger or you're about to participate in Vlogmas, this video is for you. I know a lot of people in my comments during Vlogtober was like so amazed with my consistency, and thank you guys. I really truly appreciate that comment very much, and I just wanted to pass it on and help others with a few steps that I know helped me. Sorry guys, I'm near a window if you hear something crazy outside, but I just wanted to help others prepare to vlog daily, because I know Vlogmas is coming up, and these are steps that help me, like I was saying, to get those, you know, vlogs up daily. So, and granted, I missed like 3 days because I lost my camera, but I think overall I did pretty good. And again, my vlogs wasn't just like me talking at you guys all day. I had to do voiceovers. I had to do what do you call that? I had to add music. I had to get up some days and get vlogs done early. Some vlogs were later in the evening. So again, these are the steps that I followed. They may or may not work for you, but I hope they can help, if not one person, everyone. So yeah, let's just jump right into the steps. So the first thing I'm going to suggest everyone that is about to participate in Vlogmas is to get support. Know who your support system or your support people are, and not even just saying, hey, I'm gonna need your support during the month of December. Like really telling them what you need help with and what you want them to do and what does that look like. So for me, I know my husband was a big part of me being able to get these vlogs up consistently. Without him, I wouldn't have been able to do Vlogtober, and I know without him I'm not gonna be able to do Vlogmas. So granted, we know now, but I had to specifically tell him like, hey, I need this time right here to edit videos, so I need you to take on the kids, you know, a little longer by yourself for these hours, which it was like most of the time bedtime. So like I need you to handle bedtime every night by yourself, mostly every night by yourself. Like if I got done early, which wasn't a lot of times, like I could help, but again, just knowing specifically what they can do to help you. Another thing was like, if I knew we were going out and I know I wanted a vlog to look a certain way and I need him to record me, like, hey, I need you to record me because this is, you know, what I want the vlog to look like. Again, knowing what you want the vlog to look like, they don't know that in your head, so you have to explain to them, you know, this is how I need your support today, and this is how I need your support tomorrow. So yes, get support, explain to them how they're going to support you, and start from there. So the second step that I am going to suggest for participating in Vlogmas is to get a specific probably 128 gigabyte is what I got of a flash drive, and get a 128 gigabyte of a SD card for your camera, just so you don't have any space issues. You know how many times I done recorded and ran out of space and the camera stopped recording and I gotta go back and erase stuff, and I like to keep my certain videos. So again, you gotta stop what you're doing and erase that. You might not have space on your computer. It's just, again, if you do YouTube, you know we have to erase stuff off our SD cards. You might need more flash drives. I just got a hard drive so everything could go in there, but before starting out Vlogtober, I had a specific SD card and a specific I can't even talk flash drive that I use just for Vlogtober. Every vlog is on that flash drive and every video is on that SD card, so I didn't have any space issues at all. So do that first. Second Alright, so step 3 for me that helped me be able to vlog daily and that I'm going to use as well for Vlogmas is getting your planner situated. Guys, you have to get a planner. You cannot do this without planning. Like, everything that I wanted to show you in Vlogtober was planned, 90% of it. Again, I wrote out each day, was very specific. When I say I wrote out, oh, we're going to the aquarium this day, we're going to Sesame Place this day, we're going to this place this day, I actually wrote down in the bigger section of that day, because you know it's the calendar part, and then there's the note section for that day. You write out, what does that look like? How do you want to open that vlog up? Are you showing you get ready for that day and then heading out, or are you opening up that vlog at the place already? So just be very specific. Again, I write out every day what I want to do, whether it's going to be a bake with me this day, a clean with me this day. What are you cleaning that day that you're showing? What are you baking that day? Make sure you go get those ingredients ahead of time. Just being very detailed in your planner. So again, you write out in those first, like the calendar part, you write out what you want to do. Like I said, bake with me, clean with me, day in the life, aquarium, just what you're gonna do. But then in the notes section in that day on your planner, where it's a big enough space for you to write out what that vlog is gonna look like. Like, write out what you're baking, the ingredients that you need. If you're doing a DIY project, make sure you have everything that you need for that DIY project and write it out in that box for that day. Be very specific. Again, you can't plan every day. Life change, especially if you have kids. Things are always changing. So leave some days open, because what you don't get done on Tuesday, you can move that down to next Tuesday, because you might have didn't have nothing planned for that day. But try to fill in the planner and have it planned out as much as you can. For me, the weekends was easier to plan because my husband was home and we're going to do stuff with our kids, so that was easier. And even when you're planning to do stuff, have like, look up the prices for these things. Already buy the tickets if you can. Already make the reservations, because you know we're in a pandemic, you need reservations to go everywhere. Make the reservations ahead of time if you can. But just do things like that to have some kind of structure and have things set in place and in order. Again, I run off of routines and plans, and that's just how I thrive. I know everybody isn't like that, but it really is going to help you if you want to vlog daily, if you want to do something like Vlogmas, where, like I said, it's a lot of work. So yeah, get your planner, be very specific with your planning, and look for free stuff as well. Like I said, pay for stuff ahead of time if you can, and leave days open because things happen. So the fourth step I took to help me prepare for daily vlogging was basically having little things done, knowing what I want little things done. Far as what I mean is having the presets done on the back end of your videos. If you know about TubeBuddy, or I think YouTube has it as well, you can just have a set information in your description box already there with like all your previous videos and your playlist. You can have all of that already done, because I tell you, going to like find a video and putting it in, or finding your Instagram link and writing your Facebook and your email address every time you do a video takes time. Like, and you don't have time when you're daily vlogging. So having those presets done already are going to help you, like, things go smoother. A little thing, you know, that you want to have done already is to know what you want your thumbnails to look like. So for me, I used orange and black because it was Vlogtober and it's October. It's the orange and black. So, and I knew, like, I think I've said in every video, Vlogtober day whatever, and I might add a subtitle underneath. So stick with that branding, that font or whatever you want to call it for your video, and know you're going to put that on every video. Even ahead of time, you already know what video you planned previously. So you know what's going to go on tomorrow. So already having in your head, what do you think you want your thumbnail to look like? Like knowing to get that picture, just so you're not taking screenshots of videos, which is okay. But to have, like I said, know what you want your thumbnail to look like ahead of time. Just another little thing that helps you prepare to vlog daily. So the fifth thing that helped me prepare to vlog daily, which is an important one, was scheduling a edit and a upload time. Every day I would stop vlogging at 6 p.m. so I can start editing the video. I set a upload time to get every video uploaded between 8 and 9:30, and yeah, that was a lot, because sometimes if I didn't stop at 6 p.m. and I'm going in later, I'm getting the vlog up later. So initially it started like the first week of Vlogtober, I got the video out at 9:30. Then it was like 10:30. Then the third week was like 10:30, 11, and then it was like 11:30 the last week. So yes, again, try to stick to it as much as you can, but get the vlog up. Some people do vlogs ahead of time, and that's okay, but for me, I wanted to genuinely be in the moment with my vlogs. Like, I really wanted to be that actual day. So if that mean I had to get up early so I can get that vlog recorded and stop recording at 6 o'clock in the evening, then that's what I would do. Like I said, some vlogs are different. Some vlogs I did like a nighttime routine. I didn't vlog all day, so I'm like, all right, I gotta show something, right? So I did a nighttime routine video, which again, our kids go down at 9, so I didn't get to edit that until 9:30. So I had to like edit it and hurry up and get it up before midnight. Like, so again, plan your days out a little bit better. Again, you're gonna need your planner. Your planner will inspire you on days that you don't know what to record. But also, we're not gonna fit our entire day into one video. So even if you prepare to wake up and just only record 1 to 3 hours of your day, make sure it's the most interesting part of your day, but just record for 3 hours and take those videos and edit those videos and post those videos, just so you could be up on the day and you can have your video posted. And if you are going to post late, just let your subscribers know. Like, I think we all understand, like, life happens. We have daily things that go on that you guys might not even see, but we're going to get a video up. Like, it just might be late. But yeah, guys, stay open-minded, get what you can get done, and don't stress about it. Again, you will get burnt out. You will. Like, it's okay. Like, there will be some days you don't know what you're going to record. That's okay. Record you cooking. Like, what you might not seem interesting to you might be interesting to someone else. And my good girlfriend Siobhan told me that before I started Vlogtober. But yeah, I hope this video helps you guys prepare for Vlogmas. Again, write it all down, look for activities, plan it all out, get it all done, okay? But yeah, just remember, you control your day. Take control of your day. Nothing is impossible. What you think you can't get done, you already told yourself you can't get it done. Again, if you know you're gonna get it done, get it done. People get done what they want to get done, and people make excuses for what they, you know, feel like they can't get done. So again, I'm not sure if I touched on everything that I wanted to touch on. I think I did, but if you guys have any additional questions, let me know down in the comments. I will be glad to help each and every one of you. And as always, guys, thank you for watching. Bye.